Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Robinhood for day trading. First, you'll need to open a Robinhood account, providing your personal information and linking your bank account. This connection is crucial for depositing funds and withdrawing profits efficiently. Remember, to engage in day trading without restrictions, you must fund your account with a minimum of $25,000. This initial step is foundational for your trading journey. Next, it's vital to understand the pattern day trader, or PDT, rule. If you execute 4 or more day trades within 5 business days, you'll be flagged as a PDT. To avoid trading restrictions, you must maintain an equity balance of at least $25,000 in your account. Falling below this threshold can lead to a 90-day restriction on day trading. Once your account is set up, focus on funding. You need enough capital to meet the $25,000 PDT requirement and execute trades. For advanced traders, Robinhood Gold offers margin trading, allowing you to trade with borrowed funds. This can significantly increase your buying power, but it also comes with increased risk, so use it wisely. Finally, leverage Robinhood's tools and develop a solid strategy. Use the charting features for technical analysis to identify potential trades. A well-defined strategy, including clear entry and exit points, is crucial. Always practice risk management by setting stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Consistent discipline is key to successful day trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.